Welcome back to the shed, guys. So today we'll be removing our side mirrors or wing mirrors, however you want to call it, in our A6 C5. In this case this is an all-road, but it will be the same procedure for the sedan or the Event. Okay, please like, subscribe, and let's start. Okay, first things first, and we start by removing the window switch. Okay, for the passenger side you have a hole in here. Just stick a screwdriver in there, small one of course, and you'll be able to pull the switch out. Now with the switch removed, we have two Phillips screwdrivers, screws, one in here and the other one in here. Okay, so just remove those screws. Oh. Now let's remove the second one. Okay, this is it. Now we'll have to pull the dark card up. Well, just pull it from here and it'll be fine. See, it's already unlocked. Now the door card is loose, you see, so it's upwards, and what you'll have to do, you'll have to remove the cable from the lock, and you also have to remove the electrical connections from the speakers. Okay, so let's see if okay. So first we'll tackle the lock. This is actually not that difficult. Single-handed it's always a little bit harder. So it's out, you just have to twist it a little bit. Okay. Now this is the electrical connection for the window switch, and here you have the electrical connections for the speakers. Just need to wiggle it a little bit. If we cannot wiggle it, just get the screwdriver. So to remove the electrical connections from the speakers, you should be just able to wiggle it. If you can't, like I'm having some trouble, just get the screwdriver and force it a little bit. Focus, please. Not really seeing where I'm. Okay. Okay, so you see I just wiggled it basically. If you cannot wiggle it, just use your screwdriver. That's it. Well, if you use both hands, it will be easier for sure. Okay, job done. Removed. Okay, now with the dark card removed, I think we can just pull this triangular plastic protection. Okay. See, just a small tap. Just be careful because it has this slip that is also attaching here, so you cannot pull it really hard. Okay. Now you should have this protection for the electrical connections. You can just pull it out and you'll be presented with electrical connections. Okay, just wiggle it. If not, use the same method. If you cannot wiggle it, just put the screwdriver in here. Okay, now the only thing connecting the mirror is this bolt. This is a Spline or triple square M10 bolt. Okay, just remove, okay, just slacken it until you can rotate it by hand. Once you can rotate it by hand, just put your hand on the mirror and wiggle it. Okay, wiggle it and pull it outwards while unscrewing the bolt. Okay, and that should be it. So I removed the bolt completely. I'm holding the mirror in my hand. Now I'll pull it a little bit upwards. Okay, and I just need to make sure that this socket passes through the hole, and that's it. Okay guys, job done. Side mirror or wing mirror removed. The procedure is exactly the same for the driver's side. I will record just the removing the switch part because it's a little bit different. Okay, so for the driver's side everything is similar. The only difference is the hole for the actual switch, but it works in this more or less the same manner. Just put in here. better that. Okay, so you can open this, stick your small screwdriver like this, and then push it. Okay, after you push it like this, you just grab the little lip and push it, and it's out. Okay, as you can see, you just have to press this. Now just remove the electrical connection as well, and that's it. That's it. To install, it's just the reverse. Okay. Please be aware that your connection might be a little different, because your mirrors might have more options, like folding automatically and that stuff. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe. See you next time.